bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Absolutely, a bad fuel injector can cause intermittent misfire. When a fuel injector is clogged, dirty, or malfunctioning, it disrupts the steady flow of fuel to the engine, leading to misfires. These misfires can be random or occur under specific conditions, such as acceleration or idling. The solution involves cleaning or replacing the faulty injector. Regular maintenance, including fuel system cleaning, can help prevent such issues and ensure smoother engine operation.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.